Does your iPhone seem like it's not charging properly? Well, it could be because your lightning port is full of dust and lint. And today, I'm going to show you how to clean it out using a toothpick. Your lightning port on your iPhone is constantly exposed, so whether you keep your phone in your pocket or toss it in your bag, it can collect dust and lint, making it harder for your charger to connect to the port. We've all been there, having to twist and turn and maneuver your charger cable just to get your phone charging. But by using a toothpick, you can clean out the built-up dust and lint for an easier, better charge. To do this, first make sure your iPhone is backed up properly and turn it off. Then with a toothpick, gently remove the dust and lint, and be careful not to poke around in the lightning port so you don't cause any damage. You'd be surprised how much junk has built up in your lightning port. But realistically, there should only be a little bit of lint and dust that's keeping your phone from charging properly. And that's it. It's pretty quick and simple, and it should fix most charging issues that iPhone users face. And if you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Do It All for more tips and tricks. Well, now that my phone's charged, I'm gonna get on here.